Aweno Nyadundo, Aweno Ruodhi Imbo, to Gijoko Kothi duto, to Gijo Imbo duto, to Gijo Karachuonyo duto, to Gijo Homa Bay duto, to Gosiepe duto temuchopo. Amoso uduto no imre uru. An dalaka asebedo kabire e kinde ka kinde kanitie liete madongo dongo ka asebedo kabire. Liel manakwonga bire mokwongo nen mar jaduong' mawuon dalaka mar Chief Aweno Nyadundo. Nabiro ka maywaga Aweno. Kendo kae adoga duogo ka kana duogo ywago jaduong' Arunga. Kendo adoga duogo ka duogo ywago jaduong' Kisero Sem mane jakomwa mar Homa Bay County Council. To kawuono wabiro ywago Wuod Aweno Nyadundo maduong'. To Wuod Aweno Nyadundo ni waywage bende nikech en makoro nyo rito Kawino ka en morito ka chief. Koro miyo wabiro ni mondo wagoni oriti nikech maeri en osiep. Ta winjo ka akia ni nyar jo Kawino moro owacho ni Kawino chief ka. Nika ineno ka Wuod Aweno moro dwaro nyari ni to mondo imiye nikech gin joma beyo. Admira yie ni jo Kawino gi joma beyo. To kata kamano jo Kawino we bedo one way traffic ube miwa uru nyiri abadwa no yango mia moro. Abadwa ni yango mia mora ago. Koro kawa biro to jaduong' mabro koni en mbaso wadwa Raila. Ndi girom gi Raila. Raila nyuol January 7. To jaduong' mabro ywago ni en onyuole January 1. Koro January 1 gi January 7 pogruok me kindgi en juma achiel kende. En mbas Raila koso ok en mbas Raila. To uneno kamege ne be pod ngima. Emomiyo joma wacho ni Raila ti kijana mothoni map kijana tin gicharo tin kuoma. Dongo tin kuoma. Emomiyo joma we ni Raila ni koro seti ni en expired. Raila is not expired. Raila is still strong. If Oburu, his brother, is this strong, then how about Raila, just a child who was born yesterday? So when you talk of contestations for the leadership of this country, others, people who are with us in leadership, particularly in our own coalition, you should not pressurize Raila to tell you that you are the one who is going to take over. No, just talk to people. Come even here. If you force Raila to tell our people that they should elect you or they should nominate you to be their presidential candidate, without talking to them, without convincing them, they will not vote for you. So just come out and compete. Let Raila also be in the ballot. Let us be democratic. Let us select one best leader who will give us the leadership of this country. Let us not talk about it too early. Let us give everybody a chance, including Raila. Manegi manawacho. And jodalawa awacho nunia no siep jogi. Tokadwa loso mang'eny nikichare ngadhi kumadhiye. But here in Karachuonyo, we have been told that there is no ODM. We have been told that one of your sons, Omolo, is appointed, you call him PS of security. I want to tell Omolo Omolo, we are very happy that you are the PS of security. Please concentrate on your security jobs. Don't come with maize and beans to distribute here. Security is not good in our region. Just concentrate on your job. We are very happy that at least one of our sons is a PS there. We don't have problem with that. Even though Owalo is there, he's a minister. Let him concentrate on his job as a minister and let him deliver on the docket he has been given. Distributing maize and beans is not one of his dockets. That's not one of his responsibility. So our people want service. And you are trying to sell UDA here. But that is just like selling nguruwe in Saudi Arabia. It is poisonous. We don't like it. We don't want it. And it will not happen. It's not helping you. You should build your careers. And I want to tell Ruto, please, for a moment, Ruto, we know you so well. We have worked with you closely. Tell the country the truth. People are suffering. There is a lot of burden on the people. You are imposing too many taxes. And we know it as a fact, Ruto, and you also know it. That you will never raise more revenue by raising tax levels. You need to reduce the tax levels, expand the tax base, and close all the loopholes of corruption, and you will get enough money to pay your debts. You go to Rumeru and you cheat people that you have been working very hard to pay your debts. Now you have finished paying debts. That's why you have gone to Meru. But then which debts have you finished? You have not even paid the Eurobond. You have not even started paying it. And you are saying that all those ones were incurred by Uhuru. But you are earning money as the deputy president of Kenya up to the last minute. Why did you not resign? Why do you call it former regime? And you are part of it. So we want the truth to be told. Don't lie to Kenyans. Just tell Kenyans where the money is going. Kenyans are paying taxes. Where is the money going? I don't want to Kawino. Abru Yagu woke Abrogo Siasa and more. But one, I want to finish by bringing to you the greetings of my brother Raila Molo. Raila, Rani Mondakel, Mosma Kende, Nijoka Wino, Kenomona Nisu, Ninitie with Moromo walk, Mother King. The Wodno Edward Gik Mangan, Midwadimono team. Korochu neninya kodong Nairobi mondo ikre ni wuoth makinyo dhi Jaman kiny emomiyo kobiro to kata kamano en kodu to an koora ung'eni kom mako gingo dinga maka Jaramogi mane osiepa wino nyadundo an matinde kora bete gi siana ariyo omiyo koora to oromo koso koromo aromo koso karomo erokamano urai. Erokamano uriyo Kawino.
Erokamano Senator.